Don't paint me thankless, just have to say this. No, you down with the way you move. Lost in your
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is another let's make DIY and breakfast together kind of a video. इस टाइप का वीडियो मैं थोड़ा टाइम पहले ही बनाया था where I tried a recipe and I also made a huge wall hanging. Both of them came out great, so I thought I'll make another video like that. और अगर ये वीडियो भी अच्छा लगा तो I'll kind of make a series out of it. So for breakfast we are going to try an interesting recipe, and for the DIY we are going to make mosaic art on this very old ass table. मैं कहीं ना कहीं से पुरानी चीजें जुगाड़ ही लेती हूँ. This is kind of like my talent. So this is definitely the first time I'm going to make a mosaic art furniture, but I'm really excited and super hungry at this point. So let's first make breakfast and then we'll get to the DIY. Also, if you're just here to see the DIY part, then you can just move to this time frame and see it. Okay, so abhi like very recently Satvic movement had posted their pizza recipe and I really wanted to try it out, but I do not have oven with me here, so I thought that I'll try pasta instead. I'll use the red sauce and the white sauce recipe from them and then mix it with my pasta. I'll also try to make pasta from scratch so that it's healthier.
Okay, so disclaimer, this pasta from scratch idea was a fail. I saw this recipe on YouTube and thought that it is the most straightforward and healthiest way to make pasta from scratch, so I gave it a try. The taste was good, but the pasta strands were breaking once they were cooked, so I had to finally use macaroni, which was not the healthiest but was the only option available to me. Anyway, I tried the Satvic Movement's red sauce and cashew cheese and they turned out pretty great. This red sauce was the showstopper. It legit tasted like authentic pasta sauce. I also made the pickled jalapenos with green chili, lemon juice and rock salt. Kept it aside for some time as per the instructions. So I mixed red sauce, cashew cheese, some boiled capsicum and pickled jalapenos to the macaroni and mixed it all up. It might not look appetizing, but the taste was bomb.com. I will try the pizza next time, but this was amazing. Now that the tummy is fed, let's move on to our DIY, which, spoiler alert, turned out pretty great.
This table is really old and I thought that I can give it a makeover with the things that I already have. कल ना मैं पापा के साथ नीचे गराज में गई थी to see what all I have, and नीचे मुझे बहुत सारी ऐसे टूटी हुई टाइल्स मिली जो कि हमारे बाथरूम्स और इन सब में काम आई थी पहले. टाइल्स को देख के I decided that I will make a mosaic art. I thought that I can make use out of these tiles. नीचे ऐसे बिरला पुट्टी एंड वो सब चीजें भी पड़ी हुई थी, वो भी मैं ले आई ऊपर.
The process of creating this table was so satisfying. I broke some tiles, which was really fun to do. If you try this at home, please be very careful with the process because the tiles are very sharp. I broke quite a few of them and separated them color-wise.
Kind of like my first time trying out mosaic art, and जितनी भी knowledge मैंने gain की है वो सब YouTube से इधर उधर से की है. I wanted to try it like a sample first कि कैसे करना होता है ये. So I had this tile lying around and मैंने इसे छोटे से पोर्शन पे ट्राई किया कि कैसा लगेगा. I also wanted to see the combination of pink and black कि अच्छा भी लगता है कि नहीं, and I kind of like it. And now we can just decide on the pattern that we want to go for on the table.
I narrowed down on two patterns. One had the flower in the center and in another one I put the tiles layer wise. मम्मी को ये फ्लावर वाला पसंद आया था ज़्यादा, तो I decided that I'll go for it. Let me tell you, this process took me 2 hours to finish. ये दिखने में जितना जल्दी लग रहा है उतना ही इसको टाइम लग गया था करने में. बट हाँ, पॉडकास्ट सुनते सुनते एंड बीच में मम्मी से पंचायती करते करते I finished it. Ain't no particular reason, just hit by your wave. First step was to just place all the tiles in the decided format, and then comes the part where we glue each of the tiles in its place. I used Fevicol Heatex to glue everything. Again, it is a very repetitive process.
And listen to our favorite song. I'm such an idiot, I'm pathetic, thought I was.
Now it was time for some messy work. I took Birla Putty. You can also take white cement, grey cement or grout to do what we are going to do now. I made the paste of putty and water and just applied it in between the tiles properly so that there is no space left. The grout should properly seep in between the tiles.
Anybody, I want you. I miss your olive skin, I miss my muse. So if you wanna find me, make a move. I'll send a telepathic message with my coordinates to you. I'm right where you left me, impatiently waiting.
Then it was time to level it all up. We take a dry sponge, dip it in water and clean the extras.
It's only times like these when I want you back in my room. Make me feel wanted and a little less confused. Cause I'm swimming laps across some memories. I reach the end and circle back, watching reruns of our story while I'm lying on my back.
Okay, so I love the outcome of this. I'm yet to apply a coat of varnish on the top, but this looks so good. The tiles add such a nice shine to the table and it looks so new sitting in our living room. I love to repurpose very old stuff so much. It gives me a different level of high.
I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please let me know if you enjoy watching such videos because I definitely enjoy filming them. I get to try new recipes and DIYs are definitely my jam. Let me know if you're interested and I'll see you next week. Bye.